Next slide I am going to present is about the formation of companies and the steps which a company should have to follow while forming a company. So the formation of the company goes through a number of stages, starting from idea generation to commencement of the business. This whole process can be broken down into four major phases or steps, which we will be discussing in this slide. The major steps in the formation of the company are as follows: promotion, incorporation, raising of capital, and commencement of business. Let us see all these steps in detail. Promotion stage is the first step in the formation of a company. In this phase, the idea of starting a business is converted into reality with the help of promoters of the business idea. In this stage, the ideas are executed. The promotion stage consists of the following steps: identify the business opportunity and decide on the type of business that needs to be done. Second one is perform a feasibility study and determine the economic, technical and legal aspect of executing the business. The third one is the interest shown by promoters towards the business idea and supply of capital and other necessary procedures to start the business. Second one is registration stage or incorporation stage. In this stage, registration stage is the second part of the formation process. In this stage, the company gets registered, which brings the company into existence. A company is said to be in existence if it is registered as per the Companies Act 2013. In order to get a company registered, some documents need to be provided to the registrar of the companies. First one is Memorandum of Association. A Memorandum of Association or MOA must be signed by the founders of the company. A minimum of 7 members are requested in case of public company and 2 in the case of a private company. The MOA must be properly registered and stamped. Second one is Articles of Association. It is required to be signed and submitted. All members who previously signed MOA must also be signed in the Article of Association also. And the next step is preparing a list of directors which should be filled with the registrar of companies. And the director of the company should provide a written consent agreeing to be directors should be filled with the registrar of companies. The notice of address of the office needs to be filed. A statutory declaration should be made by any advocate of either the High Court of Supreme Court or the person of capacity of director. Secretary or managing director. This declaration shall be filed with the ROC. And next one is about the certificate of incorporation. Certificate of incorporation is issued when the registrar is satisfied with the documents provided. This certificate validates the establishment of the company in the records. Next one is certificate of commencement of business. Certificate of commencement of business is required for a public company to start doing business, while a private company can start a business once it has received the certificate of incorporation. Public companies receiving the certificate of incorporation can issue prospectus in order to make the public subscribe to the shares for raising capital. Once all the minimum number of required shares have been subscribed, a letter should be sent to the registrar along with the bank document stating the receiving of money. The registrar will issue a certificate upon finding the provided document satisfactorily. This certificate is known as Certificate of Commencement of Business. The company can start business activities from the date of issue of the certificate, and the business shall be done as per the rules laid down in the MOA, that is Memorandum of Association. These, uh, these are all the steps that we should have to follow while we are forming a company. That is, first one is for promotion. Promotion includes all those activities which has to be done by a promoter. Promoter is a person who gives the business ideas, identify the business ideas, and he finds the he prepare the feasibility report whether the business is feasible or not. Second one is incorporation, that is registration stage is the second part in the formation, and the company gets registered, which brings the companies into existence. Third one is raising of capital. We have to look out how much capital we need to be raised for starting a company, and that is the third stage. And after raising the capital, next one is we have to get the commencement of business. After receiving this business only, a company shall has the right to commence the business. These are all the steps in the formation of companies. Thank you.